Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna go just to a couple of stores near Disney, so like Walmart, just to see what they have. And yeah, we're gonna go eat breakfast downstairs. So let's go do that. All right, so we are back. I wanted to film in there, but honestly, guys, so my daughter had a little bit of a runny nose yesterday, and it went from a little bit to a lot today. We bought her some Claritin, so we're hoping that that helps. She hasn't had fever or anything. It's just runny nose, and she's acting completely normal, and her eye keeps running every little bit, but she's acting again completely normal. So we are just hoping that it's like a 2-day allergy thing, and she'll be perfectly fine tomorrow. But she's acting completely normal. We're actually gonna get in the pool, but I want to share with you guys what we actually bought. So my mom bought a lot of this. We bought some things since we were gonna buy her stuff at Disney. Let me show you what I got first. So to wear on her actual birthday party, I got her this really cute mom's Minnie Mouse shirt. This was $12. I didn't mention we went to the Walmart that's closest to Disney. I wanted to film, but again, my daughter wasn't really having it, so I just was carrying her, and I didn't want to film with her. She picked out this one. There were so many, and of course, she picked out the most iconic one. So she picked this one out. We're gonna actually wash all this stuff right now. Take that out. And then my mom bought her this. I don't know when she's gonna wear this, but she picked out this dress. Even though her birthday is this theme, this isn't part of what she's supposed to wear, but I'm honestly sure that my mom's gonna have to buy this in case. But this was $22. My mom got me an elf skin bronzing thing since we're gonna get in the pool right now. These were really cute. So my mom got a couple of these. My daughter loves this kind of dresses, and this is extra small for kids, so we know they will fit her for a while. This one's so cute, and I believe my daughter picked these. I'm not 100% sure because I think I was looking at something else in the store. I think this one's my favorite. And then this part was not supposed to happen, so me and my husband picked out this hat for her. She loved it. She originally was just going to get Daisy because she said she wanted Daisy. And then somehow my mom picked out Minnie. And then somehow she also got a Minnie purse. So I don't know where these are going to go, but they have to go in a bag somewhere. My husband picked out this for her. She loves spraying things. So we got this little Minnie Mouse, I believe in unicorns. She loves unicorns, and she picked this color. I got this little autograph book just in case she does want to get it signed. Highly doubt, but just in case. I need erasers and Vaseline for my daughter. My mom ended up picking up this cute little baggie, and then me and my husband did buy a couple things. So he picked out this really cute Beetlejuice shirt. I picked out this. I think it's supposed to be PJs, but I don't care. I'm probably just gonna wear it by itself with some biker shorts. I thought it was really cute. I absolutely love this shirt. And I got it in a medium. Hopefully it fits me good, but I love it. It's nice and thin. And then my husband got this really cute shirt. I kind of picked it out. He picked a different one, and I was like, this one's so much cuter. So got this one. All right. So that is all we got. We're actually about to get in the pool, so let's go. Babe! Yeah, okay. Trying to get a little bit of a tan. For some reason, even though it says it's 91 degrees here, it does not feel like it. It feels like 81 at home. These are the sunglasses that I got at, what's it called? Pat. My daughter has the same mini ones on right now. I'm just trying to get a little bit of a tan. I haven't got any sun since probably before COVID, so yeah. Nothing crazy though. Just a little bit. All right, and then my titi made some spaghetti for dinner, and it was delicious. And then we started kind of prepping for my daughter's birthday party, which is Minnie Mouse, and Mickey Mouse themed. And we were DIYing the bags and putting them together. We were separating everything. We really wanted to kind of get a head start to really get some of this stuff ready. I was exhausted, so you see there on the side, I was drinking some iced coffee because I needed some energy to get this going. I did finish before her because I did need to go upstairs and tend to my little human. I completely forgot to exit out yesterday's video, but we literally just went in the pool and we were just chilling. We started doing, as you guys saw, some of the party favors for my daughter's birthday. She did get a little fussy and her nose was not, she wasn't having it. So we went to bed and yeah. So go ahead and leave this much right here if you like today's video. I know it's a short one, but I'm trying. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.